All right, so do you have a Camaro? You're replacing all the LED lights everywhere. So I'll show you how you can replace the LED light on this one. So this one is very easy. So basically, once you remove the screw here, and you remove the cap, you're going to have this access, and with the screwdriver, you're going to be able to unscrew this. So remove the old one, and the new one is T1. T1 is the one that you need. This is a Camaro 98, and basically, because the T1 is like almost for a hair, it will not fit, and you cannot make it fit. So you will need a drill, and you're going to need the drill bit 4.5 millimeters, so that way you can make this receptacle a little bit wider, and that's it. So once you do that, put it back, and as you can see, it works. So I'm going to turn it on. There we go. You see the light. Turn it back off, and that's it. So that is all you have to do in order to replace it. I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link and you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Okay, as you can see, this is the only place I was able to find the LED light. So you're going to need the T1. So that is the one that you have to get. I tried to buy it on Amazon, eBay. They don't have it. So basically, this is what you're going to get. Again, you will have to use the drill bit in order to make it a little bit wider. I tried everything. I tried the other. I have this one that you see here, this one on the top. That I have everything, and the T1 was the only one I was able to make it work. So now I'll show you here. I tried those ones, like the little ones that you see. It didn't work. It didn't fit either. That is the main thing. So that is what you have to get and to do in order to make it work. All right. As you can see, it works great. I have done the same thing there, and everything looks amazing.